let me show you how to earn up to 2.5 on VALR. But before we do that, let's check the market. So guys, as you can see right there, right, the market is doing better, right? The market is doing good, guys. So you can see ADA 51% with 19%, PopCat 17%, XRP 16%. Thanks to Trump, guys. Thanks to Trump, you know, like I think like people were shaking the market, like people were manipulating the market to shake these other people off. Like if people manipulate the market, or like the market is just doing bad and you sell, guys, you panic sell, guys, you won't make your money in crypto. You won't make money in crypto. You must just stand, like stand, guys. As I always say, buy red, sell green. So before I show you guys, I want us to talk about this, right? I don't know if maybe you saw this tweet. Like, this is Donald Trump. So he said like US crypto reserve, like, so crypto strategic reserve that will include XRP, Solana and ADA, guys. So these are the coins that are really pumped after this tweet, and also obviously BTC and Ethereum as other available cryptocurrencies, guys. So these are the coins that I think will also do good during 2025 during this crypto bull run. So other people are saying like there will be no crypto bull run, there will be no altcoin season because of this what is happening right now with a lot of scams and kind of like these rug pulls, guys. So let's not talk about that, guys. Let's not talk about that, guys. Let's focus on the good side. I mean, like, if the market is dipping, we must buy. Like, if you really believe in the project, if the market is dipping, you must buy, guys. So, and also on Friday, the White House will host the first ever crypto summit, right, on this Friday, like 7 March, right, guys. So guys, make sure you are online. So make sure you check the market every day. Check Twitter, like almost everything is happening on Twitter, guys. If you are in crypto and you really want to make money, you must make sure you follow up. You must make sure you're up to the news, guys. So guys, let's get down to this video, right? Let's get down to it.
And Bitcoin and crypto will skyrocket like never before, even beyond your expectation.
So you just gonna know, like, I will share my link, right? The link will be in the description, the first link in the description, right? Click on that link, create an account, right? So let's see what you must do to get this free money, right? So as you can see, refer and earn, invite South Africans abroad to VALR, right? So let me scroll right here. So let's see right here, right? Are you a South African VALR customer? Now is your chance to earn up to 2.5 by referring your friends and family living abroad to join VALR. So like, this is from 24 February to 9 March, right, guys? So here's how. So this guy is so simple, guys, so simple. The link will be in the description. After you click on that link, you create an account. Make sure, right, make sure you verify your account. After you verify your account, they say you must, you must deposit like at least 500, right? At least 500. I think like 500 is about like $30 US, right, guys? So this is for South African VALR users. So for friends and family living abroad, so they must do the same, but they must complete KYC 2. That's the difference, right? They must complete KYC 2 and also deposit at least 500, right? At least 500. That is like around $30 US, guys. This all on how to get this free 2.5 thousand rand, right, guys? So all you have to do, you refer your friends and family, then you will earn up to 2.5 thousand, right? 2.5 thousand rand. That's so easy, that's so simple, guys. If you're not into crypto in 2025, think again, guys. Think again. Crypto is the future. Crypto is here to stay, whether you like it or not, whether you support crypto or not, whether you believe it or not. Crypto is here to stay.
Like for crypto?
Yeah, I think so. We're going to do something great with crypto because we don't want China or anybody.